At Upper Creek Plumbing, there's no hidden prices. We're upfront about all our pricing, um, whereas with fixed pricing, they come in and do one little thing that's extra, and that's going to cost you a bunch more. With us, it's just however much extra time it took and the material. And like, we do care. We want to. We're in this community. We want people. We know we're going to see people that we do work for, and we want to be able to look our customers in the eye and know that we did the right thing. And we strive to do the right thing for our clients. When you do the right thing for the clients, I'm also doing the right thing for the company.